Hi, my name is Daniel, and cooking the bread. We're cooking bread, and you got your dough, and we're cooking it, and it's gonna be bread. And oven's preheating already, and I'm gonna show you how to take the dough out of the fridge and put it on a platter. It's gonna be good. Alright, people, we got our dough. We got our cutting board. Got the oven at 450 with our Dutch oven in there already. Okay? I'm gonna come over here, grab my semolina that I bought from Mountain Moms. Okay? So I'm just taking a little semolina, sprinkling it on the this. Oh, that semolina. Get this dough out of here. There it is. It's out. I gotta wet my hands. Make sure you don't got soap or lotion on your hands. Okay. Oh yeah. That's what you want to hear. That's what you want to hear. Boom. So we're gonna come back and work with it 30 minutes. Okay, welcome back. It's been 30 minutes and it's time to check it. In 20 seconds, it's time to check it. Oh yeah, beautiful. So I'm going to put it back in for 5 minutes with the lid off. And that is what we've got. Oh yeah, beautiful. There you go. There's your bread. So thanks for watching. Here's your bread. It's really hot.